If you're looking to use Mailchimp for cross-promotion and take your marketing efforts to the next level, you've come to the right place. Mailchimp isn't just an email marketing tool, it can be a game changer when it comes to cross-promoting your business or content. Stick around till the end, because we'll dive into some tactics that can drastically improve your results, and I'll even share an exclusive bonus for you. Before we get started, you can try Mailchimp completely for free by clicking the first link below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to sign up. Let's dive into it. The first thing you need to understand about cross-promotion with Mailchimp is segmentation. Mailchimp gives you the ability to segment your audience based on their interests, demographics, or behaviors. This means you can target specific groups of people with tailored messaging. So, instead of sending a one-size-fits-all message, you can promote your products or services to the right people at the right time. This is key to effective cross-promotion because you're engaging users who are most likely to be interested in what you're offering. Next thing to consider is automation. With Mailchimp's automation features, you can set up automated email campaigns that trigger when someone takes a specific action. For example, if someone signs up for your newsletter or makes a purchase, you can automatically send them an email recommending complimentary products or services. This is powerful because you're cross-promoting in a way that feels personalized and relevant, not pushy. The third thing to focus on is integrating with other platforms. Mailchimp integrates with tons of third-party apps, which means you can sync your data and marketing efforts across different channels. If you're already using social media, a blog, or even an e-commerce store, Mailchimp makes it easy to bring everything together. You can cross-promote across platforms seamlessly, ensuring your message reaches your audience wherever they are. The fourth thing you should know is the power of A/B testing. A/B testing allows you to experiment with different versions of your emails to see which one performs better. Whether it's testing subject lines, content, or calls to action, this feature lets you fine-tune your campaigns and improve your cross-promotion strategy. By knowing exactly what works, you can increase your engagement and drive better results from your cross-promotional efforts. Finally, Mailchimp's analytics are crucial for measuring your success. The platform provides detailed reports on how your campaigns are performing, giving you insights into open rates, click rates, and conversion rates. This data helps you understand what's resonating with your audience and what's not. By analyzing these metrics, you can continually optimize your cross-promotion strategies and see more of the results you want. To wrap up, using Mailchimp for cross-promotion can completely transform the way you reach your audience. From segmenting your contacts and automating emails to testing your campaigns and analyzing results, Mailchimp offers everything you need to take your cross-promotion efforts to the next level. And don't forget, you can start using Mailchimp for free with our exclusive extended trial by clicking the link below. Thanks for watching! Make sure to check out the bonuses and start using Mailchimp to boost your cross-promotion today.